với ni kan thian howing nan right do na ama saber a in safe a ania CBR 250 akhala so dot le hian te ania ani hian R15 V3 khala dot le angaya o ani hian FG khala ani hi zai thiam ani nung baraim pahuna ania Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350X akhala ni nung bara ke Hero Impulse ka khal do na với ni hian in dap chua kalkan tuma hey jing dar sari legend ve ni tu na hian in to de kan su ka yenga ji zo hun với ni man kan tuma ni
many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will, everything I'm working on, every night another song, they been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gon' be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gon' lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gon' lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gon' choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below.
I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will, everything I'm working on, every night another song, they been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
Lồng lây gần xe ngã nuông khóc mày lúng khóc mày ngày bỏ ròn rai ta ra khóc mày có hôn là lẽ safe à lán về lẽ không à hiền có hôn à hay bảo hôn này á, safe à, nung cái này mình làm đi. Anh đùa mày? Wow, ngon tốt, bro. Chỗ này thì đang hiện thanh coi lên quý, cần đu chở trép ạ. Chỗ này hiện thì lên quý cài trồng, trong ngàn chuột này đó na thì quý pôn nó khóc mèo với anh chú. Kali orang tar somni pasarigan tlan tua. Alamma kan man mo vak lawa tu na hian. Al mase lumani boru wa lum thakop mai. Safe à. Safe bên havar thakop mai he. Ngkal do bi. Kalang o.
Front door. Don't forget the keys under the mat. Childhood star shine. Always stay humble and kind. Go to church cause your mama says to. Visit grandpa every chance that you can. It won't be wasted time. Always stay humble and kind. Hold the door. difference between sleeping with someone and sleeping with someone you love. I love you ain't no pickup line, so always stay humble and kind. Oh, the door said please, said thank you. Don't steal, don't cheat, and don't lie. I know you got mountains to climb, but always stay humble and kind. When those dreams you're dreaming come to you, when the work you put in is realized, let yourself feel the pride, but always stay humble and kind. Yeah. When it's hot, eat a root beer popsicle. Shut off the AC and roll the windows down. Let that summer sun shine. Always stay humble and kind. Don't take for granted the love this life gives you. When you get where you're going, don't forget, turn back around. Help the next one in line. Always stay humble and kind.
Ako, sakal mo, sabar ako.
It's time to so watch you I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even